I think each one is about a meter.
I know, but I don't see one here. Oh no, here it is. Hold on. There it is. There we go.
Okay. I think it's like roughly a meter.
Oh, this one's folded over, so there's like a pass. Here, help me jimmy this over.
Yeah. Cool. It's gonna rain.
Yeah.
I mean, all this was in the garden.
What is this? This smells like mint or something.
No, it's lantana. You know, some stuff, those bushes down there. I planted it here, and this is just, I just hauled this out of the ground and threw dirt on it. If it lives, it lives. If it dies, whatever.
Yeah.
The idea here, the idea is open to much interpretation. Well, and changes. I asked someone about putting an above ground fountain and waterfall.
Here.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's what we want.
Yeah, yeah.
And we want something nice, beautified, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
Everything we have is utilitarian. That's the way your mother is, that's the way I am. If it's not brutal utilitarian, it's just frippery.
Mm-hmm.
And I try not to be that way.
No, yeah, why not? It could be nice.
Well, okay, so we're just getting to that headspace. It's hard for us because we've lived our lives that way, struggling and making do. And if it's got no utility, I don't need it. And that's the way we both acted. The idea is that the guy said to me, I showed him pictures. He said, "You got 10K to invest?" I said, "Let's not waste your time or mine."
No, this is also
you can buy an above ground fountain.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like a lily pond.
Yeah, yeah.
And the exact size is almost exactly this.
For like 10K?
Yeah, he said, "You want to invest 10K? We can do this for you and make it happen." So,
yeah, yeah.
You know, we're renters. We don't own this place.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So when we move, it's gonna, you know, this.
Yeah, what are you gonna do? Yeah, exactly.
These. So if I get another 2 of these, they're like 50, 100 shekels a piece. I was thinking of having them bring dirt.
Yeah, but why don't? Yeah, you could make a fountain. You could make one.
Stacked like.
Yeah, yeah. Get a pump. Get a pump from the fish store.
Fountain like this.
Mm-hmm.
And recirculating thing. Because you have electricity right there.
Yeah, why not?
Pull up the paving stones and run the electricity underneath.
And then you like raise this one up high.
Yeah, right.
And then you on blocks, and then you make a second one, and then it flows over. Right? Awesome. You could do it. It's totally within the realm of possibility.
Yeah, so it's not complicated.
Yeah, you don't need 10K, but it would be a little bit of money to do it. You know what I mean?
No, it's going to be 1,000 shekels.
In material, at least.
Round numbers.
For the pump, it'll be 1,000 shekels, maybe.
Something good.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, and pump it might be 1,000 shekels. And then you got, whatever. But that's a good idea. Instead of trying to get a whole lily pond for 10K, you know?
Because we've got all these books and looking for how to do your house. We're also American and English. Everything is like laid out and designed.
Everything's so standardized there.
And so standard, right. But, you know, that's not true anymore because I spoke yesterday. I went to the guy to get this. Right at the entrance to Mao, they've got a really nice lawn and garden center.
Yeah. No, there's some big home and garden stores opening up.
He showed me some stuff, work he's done.
Mm-hmm. Things are changing.
Really nice stuff. Like stuff we can't buy. Really nice. Somebody else. Part of my re-education to try and get me married off to do that. between the kibbutz and the kibbutz seminar center for programs and training.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's like a college.
Yeah.
Not like it is a college. And I went once for dining room management, and it's a thorough, like, you know, hotel level course.
Yeah.
And the other time they sent me for landscaping. I was a landscaper on their help. And it was like several weeks of everything about landscaping and gardening, you know, plants. So it's funny that now, you know, we're doing.
Now you're using it. A little bit. A little bit. Whew-wee. Well, at least